This is the CareTouch hand sanitizing wipes, and you get a 110 pack, and it's perfect for if you're going to the gym or for your shopping cart, as well as just a nice handy wipe to use. And look how many you get. This is also perfect for traveling, as well as for your office, or just to keep some in your pocket or in your car. And they're individually wrapped, and let me show you how big they are. These measure 5 inches by 7 inches in length, and it's perfect to clean your hands as well as countertops too. Any surface that you want to kill bacteria and germs. It's going to kill 99.9% of germs. Each individual wipe is saturated with 62% ethyl alcohol. And look how nice and easy it is to use. These are also fragrance and paraben free. I was sent these from CareTouch to evaluate, and I really like it, and I think you will too. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.